联合国大会总辩论的第3天，这个诺鲁总统昆洛斯是俄罗台湾，讲咱台湾的控制疾病有一套是世界典范，呼吁联合国体系就要接受台湾。这也是这届大会当中第6个声援台湾的友邦。不过讲到台湾议题，中国代表犹原是讲迄句话，就是台湾是中国半岛分割一部分。
Thank the Republic of China, Taiwan, for their help and support to our health system. They were and continue to be a leading exemplar in good practice to responding and containing disease.
诺瑞总统感谢台湾在新冠疫情的期间的协助和支持。联合国大会总辩论当日进行，台湾友邦诺鲁总统昆洛斯发言，俄罗台湾是疾病控制的模范，嘛敦促联合国体系接纳台湾。
We call for their recognition, their right to participate and engage with us all in this global forum on this issue and in the implementation of 2030 Agenda and its sustainable development goals, leaving no one behind.
跟诺鲁同款，在2月发言的中国国家副主席韩正对台湾议题是搁一届强调讲，台湾是中国袂当分割的一部分。联合国大会总辩论进行3天以来，已经有瓜地马拉、巴拉圭、秘鲁、斯瓦蒂尼、马绍尼群岛、跟诺鲁这6个友邦声援台湾参与联合国。照议程，接落来还佫有圣卢西亚、土瓦鲁甲海地友邦发言，希望会当强化挺台湾的力头。记者综合报道。